I'm at REIT World 2010 in New York City, and I'm joined by one of the pioneers of the REIT industry, Hamid Moghadam, co-founder, chairman, and CEO of AMB Property Corporation and former NAREIT chair. AMB is one of the leading players in the industrial space here in the U.S. as well as abroad. How are you seeing fundamentals in the sector shaping up?
Yeah, we've had a very difficult period in the industrial sector. I would say the most difficult of my career, and probably the most difficult ever, starting about mid-2008 until about the middle of this year. But a very important thing happened at the middle of this year, which is absorption of space in the U.S. turned positive. And we take that as a very good sign and are optimistic that the next couple of years are going to be much better than the last two. What happened in the last 2 years was simply unprecedented.
Given the fact that you're saying kind of all regions that have been affected by this crisis that we went through, are there any regions globally that are showing better signs of improvement?
Sure. I would say there are two parts of the world that really stand out that we're active in. There may be others. China would be one and Brazil the other. Those two economies pretty much went through this downturn without feeling much of it and continue to be very strong in the aftermath of the downturn.
And AMB historically has been an active player in both acquisitions as well as development. Given the market and the climate we're in now, do you see more of your company's growth coming on the acquisition side or the development side?
Actually, both. In the developed economies and the mature economies where economic growth is slower and property development opportunities are more limited, we see better opportunities in buying assets, existing assets, at a discount to replacement cost. That would be the preferred way of investing. In emerging markets where there's lack of product and you can't really buy anything and there's a pretty significant margin in developing real estate, we're obviously doing more development.
Great. Hamid, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great. For more from REIT World 2010, be sure to visit REIT.com.